wrong and I hurt you. Didn't have to hurt me too. If you think revenge will make you feel better, I must forgive. You must forgive. If you only try to put things back the way they used to be, 'cause there's no sense to go and over things that said before. So let us not bring the past anymore. Bye, mommy.